Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility and making a full backup so you can restore if anything goes wrong. Once done, free up storage and ensure a stable power source to avoid interruptions. Make sure you understand warranty, security, and legal risks. That's why you start here rather than rushing into system changes. If you prefer not to modify system software, use official channels instead. They're safer and supported. Next, pick a path that preserves security. Install Chrome from the official App Store if your OS supports it, or pick a compatible, supported browser that offers the features you need. If you're a developer, use vendor-supported provisioning or enterprise deployment rather than system-level alteration. This avoids the most complex and risky middle steps associated with modifying device firmware, and it keeps sync, updates, and security intact for daily use. To finish, reboot and confirm Chrome or your chosen browser signs into your account and syncs bookmarks and passwords. If you see instability or missing features, restore from the backup you made earlier rather than applying ad hoc fixes. If issues persist, contact official device or app support and consider a factory restore to return to a known good state. This final step protects your data and avoids permanent device damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.